Right now we're teaching nutrition and wellness and intro to culinary arts. It's a fundamentals class, so we do anything from beginning with recipes, learning how to measure, knife skills, all the basic cooking skills. And so that's a predominant feature of the class. We go into other things. Of course, our foundation that we begin with at the beginning of the year is sanitation. So they all sit for the Serve Safe food handler so that they are all handling the food safely. So today we're making soups for our in-house rapid relief program, which supplies food to families at James River in need. But they also do other things. So they supply backpacks, school supplies. The soups we made prior to Christmas break, we were able to get them out to about 9 families. And now we're making some cream-based soups for that as well. Anything that's left over from that, we take down to the city for RVA community fridges, which supplies food for needy areas within the city where there are food deserts and stuff like that. So it's a mutual aid program.
I took this class because I came from a long line of Cajun cooks and I wanted to also learn how to cook myself. And I saw a culinary arts and I thought that's probably a perfect way to start. And I've started cooking at home as well. So it makes me a bit nervous, because if I mess it up, it's not going to be a great meal for a family. But it makes me feel happy that the food that I'm making is going to where it needs to be and not just rotting in a fridge.
So what we're doing with the soups is we'll package them up and we put them in quart deli containers. I'll have my nutrition and wellness classes. They're going to be creating labels as part of their learning experience and their work-based learning experience as well. And so they'll create the nutritional labels for them and everything, so that gets put on them when we keep them in the freezer. So everything's frozen, so it travels well. If someone doesn't have good refrigeration, it at least can last for a little bit longer that way. What I like about the soups is that it can meet everybody's needs for where they are. They can, if they have only a microwave to heat food up in, and you can eat soup cold as if you need to, and so it's a nice nutritious meal, and there's also something really heartwarming and warming about eating soup. Well, and that's it. It's like a lot of times students don't, it's a problem that they see outside of their existence, and so knowing that they could be sitting next to someone who is in need, that's for food, shelter, and that we're actually making a difference right here at James River for our students.